Mark 1V Media brings you the full review of TNR Jetter Classic. With a maximum load, you can ride on an inclining 30-degree road. For bookings and price, please watch the video till the end. TNR Jetter Classic is made with stunning looks and premium quality material. Front, it has LED headlamp with indicators. Front telescopic suspension, disc brake system with ABS control on tubeless tires. Comfortable footrest. Rear hydraulic suspension, rear drum brake system. Tail LED headlamps with indicators. Digital odometer with battery indicator, total kilometers driven and speed mode. It has 3 speeds. All the 3 speed modes are displayed on the digital speedometer. Right side horn. On the left horn, left indicator and right indicator, high beam, low beam, since it is certified by ICAT, speed is locked at 25 km per hour. However, it can reach up to 45 km per hour. On the right hand side, we have on and off switch. Where the bike is on but the switch is off, the bike does not move or start. This feature is also known as parking mode. This is an additional safety feature. It has an anti-theft alarm and keyless start and stop feature. Front boot case, and 12-liter boot space under the seat where a full-size helmet can fit. This vehicle is certified by ICAT, and as an additional safety measure, it has an MCB for voltage protection. It has a very good ground clearance, charging port. It has a 60 volt 1000 watt BLDC motor where a maximum motor output is 2500 watt. Battery 24 ampere battery with a voltage of 60 volts. Battery type, it's a lithium ion ferrophosphate. Charging time of 2 hours. Weight of the vehicle is only 62 kgs. In a single charge, it can give up to 85 kilometers with a maximum load of 200 kgs.